Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and do the airplane mode on Monopoly Go. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, after the game has updated, the airplane mode strategy is not dead. In fact, you could go ahead and even do it easier because the dices now are predetermined. For example, if I'm rolling my dice at 100x, 50x, or 20x, it will go ahead and have a predetermined number. Meanwhile, on the last update, we have a random number, so we cannot go ahead and know where the dice will land. So I'll just go ahead and click on this button right here until I have my max reward, which is at times 5. So the next important thing that you could go ahead and do is to now go ahead and turn your airplane mode. Now let's go ahead and open it up. And as you could go ahead and see right here, my Wi-Fi is turned off, but I'm not disconnected within the game server. Now you want to go ahead and roll, and you want to go ahead and list the number of dice that you got per roll. Now for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll this one right here, and what I got is number 5. Now you want to go ahead and roll the dice until you stumble upon a event, or you stumble upon a block that you need to go ahead and have an internet access with. And for the next roll, we got number 3. I'm gonna go ahead and roll again. For this one, we got also number 3. You want to go ahead and note that in maybe your computer or your book. So just go ahead and roll your dice, list it down until you stumble upon this message right here. Now after that, you want to go ahead and exit out the game, and you want to go ahead and clear the cache for Monopoly Go. So let's go ahead and open up the app info, and if you're using an iOS device, you could just go ahead and delete Monopoly Go. But inside the Android right here, you want to go ahead and open up the storage and cache, go ahead and clear cache and clear storage. After that, now you want to go ahead and turn off the airplane mode, and you want to go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi. Open up Monopoly Go, and it will go ahead and restore us back to when we did not first have the airplane mode. And now, as you could go ahead and see, we're now back to our original place. It's right on the railroad, and the first number that we are going to get is number 5. Now for example, I want to go ahead and hit number 5 right here. I'll just go ahead and click on the times 5. But if I want a new random number, I'll just go ahead and click on this button right here. But since I want to go ahead and hit the board right here, as an example, I want to go ahead and hit the go to jail board. So I'll just go ahead and click on go right here, and probably I'll go ahead and get number 5. Now as you could go ahead and see, we exactly get number 5 right here. So I'll just go ahead and roll on it. And if you don't want to go ahead and land on something, you could just go ahead and change the times right here. Now for the next number, I believe that we are going to get number 3 or number 4. So I'll just go ahead and click on times 5 right here. As an example, I want to go ahead and land on a specific board. So I'll just go ahead and roll on it, and we are going to land on the community chest, and that is exactly 3 dices. And as you could go ahead and see, when I run this thing again, it will go ahead and roll at number 3. So guys, in that way, you will be able to use the airplane mode strategy in Monopoly Go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.